Hey everyone! Check out the Bobcat T590 compact track loader, available from TVE Hire and Sales. This machine is a game changer. First off, it's a powerhouse. With its strong engine and high tipping load, it can tackle the most demanding jobs. It has the highest lifting height in the 500 series, which is ideal for loading and unloading brick, blocks, and other palletized materials. Next, it's super versatile. You can switch between a huge variety of attachments in no time, thanks to the hydraulic power Bobcat. And let's not forget comfort. The pressurized cab keeps all the dust and dirt out, so you can work in comfort all day long. The Bobcat T590, powerful, versatile, and comfy. It's built to help you conquer any challenge. TVE Hire and Sales are the authorized Bobcat dealer in Southern England. To find out more about the Bobcat T590 compact track loader, contact Matt at TVE and he will be happy to answer all your questions and organize a demonstration. TVE Hire and Sales, your complete Bobcat solution.